That CNN poll that Trump talked about. 521 registered voters who watched the debate were asked who they thought did the best. 62%, as you can see, said Hillary Clinton. 27% said Donald Trump. And in addition, there's another poll, another scientific poll. This was by YouGov, which is a recognized polling organization, and it produced a similar result. The margin of error there is estimated plus or minus 3. Now, these are the two scientific polls. However, there were a great number, nearly a dozen online polls last night that had the opposite result. They're not considered scientific. Josh Kraushaar, politics editor at National Journal, joins us now from down in Washington. Josh, we hear a lot about these online polls. A lot of people swear by them. We don't here at Fox News. I suspect you don't at National Journal. Can you explain why?
Well, the key to any good poll is to getting a random sample, getting a random group of voters to see what their opinions are. Online polls, by their very definition, are not getting random samples. They get the most committed supporters of a certain candidate. That go
because
online.
anybody who wants to can note an online poll, see it, and vote in it, right?
And Donald Trump has a brigade of really, really committed online supporters who like to go to these websites, vote on the online polls, and by and large, he does very well in these online polls. But they're not predictive of anything. They're just showing that he has a lot of fans that go online and take these polls. You need to have a random sample. To have any credible poll, any scientific poll, a random sample is absolutely necessary. And none of the polls that the Trump campaign put out a press release this afternoon citing all these online polls, none of them are scientific, and none of them would be taken seriously by any news organization.
Now, let me ask you another question. I see this all the time. A poll will come out, a reader or viewer will look at it, not particularly care for the result, and then they will look at the number of